The Gomboy Professional is Silky's #1 selling saw worldwide. With its refined Japanese craftsmanship and superior cutting efficiency, it's no surprise that this saw can do it all. The 8.3-inch adjustable curved blade enhances the cutting speed as the teeth naturally dive into the wood fibers as you pull the blade back through the wood. The impulse-hardened teeth stay sharp about 3 times longer than non-hardened teeth. The premium Japanese steel is ultra-durable and resistant to rust and resin. The rubber handle is comfortable to hold, reduces vibration, and offers superior grip when your hands are wet, cold, or wearing gloves. Whether you're collecting firewood for camping, working around the yard, or clearing trails, the Gomboy Curve is the saw for you.
This is the Schrade SCSAW1 Lockback Folding Camp Saw. A lightweight, rugged, fast-cutting lockback folding saw for camping, survival, bushcraft, landscaping, and general yard work. The SCSAW1 sports a tough, friction-reducing, black-coated 3CR13 stainless steel blade. The aggressive, staggered and flared, shark-tooth design clears a channel wider than the blade tang, while self-extracting wood particles, which reduces the effort needed to slice through trees and branches. The mid-sized 7-inch blade provides control for fine cutting tasks, while boasting the ability to cut larger stock down to size with minimal effort. The raised rubber-coated polymer handle ensures a firm grip in any weather condition, while it houses the blade when not in use. To store the blade, simply push the lockback lever and carefully fold the blade into the handle. To open the saw, grip the top side and rotate the blade until it locks in place. A lanyard hole is provided to lash the saw to gear, or secure to your wrist with cord for extra security during use. Protect and store the CSCAW1 in the heavy-duty black woven fabric sheath with hook and loop closure flap. Carry the SCSAW1 close at hand and ready for action using the gear belt loop. Designed to make short work of tough cutting tasks, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCSAW1 Lockback Folding Camp Saw.
Like the Wicked Tough handsaw, the Wicked Tough bone saw features the same heavy-duty cast aluminum handle and lock mechanism design as our standard tree saw. The Wicked Tough bone saw blade is made from an engineered grade of high-carbon steel that is thicker and stiffer than most. It's designed to handle the most difficult cutting of the most serious backcountry hunter. It can handle tough cutting through skull plates, leg bones, the spine, pelvis, and the complete butchering of big game animals like deer, moose, elk, and bear. Along with bone, the Wicked Tough bone saw blade cuts excellent through a variety of different materials from PVC pipe, drywall, and will even cut a smooth edge on fine woods and trim. The bone saw also features a molded yellow grip so that you can't lose it when you set it down on the ground in the field or on the job site. Each Wicked bone saw features the same painstaking quality standards and inspection that is the Wicked brand.
This is the Freescape Camp Saw. The innovative design lets you fold the saw flat while remaining completely assembled using no extra tools. Its slim size when folded makes it simple to store in a pack or a gear bag without threat of lost parts. Apply the sturdy blade to cut through larger diameter wood. Its structure lets you work with the full length of the blade for the most efficient use of your energy. Replace the standard 12-inch blade easily when needed. The saw's grippy rubber handle stays firmly in your hand as you go. This is the Freescape Camp Saw.
Introducing RazorTOOTH Saws from Corona. RazorTOOTH saw blades are engineered with high-carbon Japanese SK5 steel. They have up to 6 teeth per inch to cover more cutting surface with fewer strokes. Each saw tooth is triple ground, providing 3 multifaceted angles for easier cuts. And the focused impulse hardening process on the teeth maintains sharpness even after multiple cuts. RazorTOOTH saws also have a final hard chrome layer applied to the blade which reduces friction during the cut. This also provides a rust preventative layer for longer life.